other side. Left lane for the win, y'all. They done came back to Yello Belly. We're gonna make a pass in the caprice. I've been waiting on you. Y'all been.
I've been working.
Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna make a pass in.
Okay.
Oh, they got the bill. Okay. Okay, yeah, Sean, what? Tell them y'all Instagram. Put y'all Instagram in there one time for the one time.
She's gonna be a model.
Okay.
She's gonna be a fashion model.
Okay, got fashion model in the building, y'all. Okay, boom, boom. Let me see, y'all can see it. Okay, bam. We got that one as one. We got this one as two. Bam. Where the other one at? Okay, then.
Look at racing the best.
Yeah, already. Yeah, it's going down, y'all. Okay. Oh shit. I did purple hair. It's going down like that. Oh, okay. What the hell they doing? Oh, I need my. What is he doing? I thought he was finna do something, all that. Oh, man. I thought he was finna do something. He ain't even do nothing. I'm gonna pull the car back up. I need somebody to watch the car, though, because they be complaining about the car on the line. If I be walking over here, I be forgetting it's in the staging lane. So I'm gonna need somebody to move it up. I'm gonna need somebody. Y'all might be the one, but I'm gonna see. Yeah, we gonna race it. Y'all gonna be in the car. Yeah, all your friends. That's the baddest one, ain't it? Yeah. That thing there, he driving that thing. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh. I done left my... I hope I got a battery thing. Hey, you got a battery thing?
Yeah.
iPhone?
You need,
I got this, but I think the iPhone thing.
You need a cord?
Yeah, you got that?
I can let it go for a little bit, but not very long.
Now let me see if I got one. Let me check. The Android, okay, let me see. Android looking good right now. I done drained the iPhone. Well, I'm gonna catch these next two races for sure. What's up, Jesus Elise? Okay, left lane for the win, y'all. Left lane. Here come the big race. Yeah, where y'all betting at? Y'all get y'all bet on right here, y'all. Oh shit! I ain't know he was finna be deep too. Shit. Damn, it's 5 in that one. Look at my cuz. Oh shit! See camera. Okay. Where y'all at? Where y'all? Okay.
Hey, Pro Tree.
Pro Tree. They want Pro Tree. Pro Tree.
Mexican without telling me you Mexican.
Pro Tree. Dale me gusta.
Hey, watch out. Tell me you're Mexican without telling me you're Mexican.
Okay. Here we go, y'all.
Oh shit. Go.
Oh, it look like. Oh, it look like right lane. Oh, right lane. Right lane for the win. That old Toyota. Right lane for the win. What Funkytown there? He probably say that was set up. Look out. Huh? Where Funkytown go? Hey, look out. I see you up there. Look out. Hey. Oh, this is a good time to get that charge. Ooh, I'm starting to get back hungry. What I eat today? Dang. I don't think I ate too much. Ooh, I hope I got a charge in there today, y'all.